हेलो एवरीवन। मेरा नाम तन्मय शाह फ्रॉम अब्रॉड एजुकेशन कंसल्टेंसी। अभी मैं हूँ टिब्लिसी में और हम कर रहे हैं DTMU डेविड टी विलियानी मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी, जो अमेरिकन सिलेबस पढ़ाती है और जॉर्जिया की नंबर 1 यूनिवर्सिटी है। तो हम DTMU की कैंपस टूर कर रहे हैं। ये जो वे है आप देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पर एक हॉस्पिटल है जो बच्चे यहाँ पर प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग करते हैं और हम जा रहे हैं DTMU की स्टडी सेंटर की विजिट के लिए। तो आप कृपया आप वीडियो में बने रहे और मैक्सिमम वीडियो आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर करें। ये काफे भी है जो बच्चे चाहे तो यहाँ पर फूड और कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं। तो मैं हूँ DTMU के एंट्रेंस गेट पे, यहाँ लिखा हुआ है डेविड टी विलियानी मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी। तो ये टिब्लिसी का एक नंबर 1 यूनिवर्सिटी है। अभी मैं आपको यूनिवर्सिटी की विजिट कराता हूँ। तो ये है एंट्री गेट DTMU का, आप DTMU लिखा हुआ देख सकते हैं। और मेरे साथ इरीना मैम है। तो मैम आप मुझे यूनिवर्सिटी का थोड़ा टूर कराइए।
Okay. Right now there's a quiz going on here, therefore we can't see the room. So this is.
तो ये क्विज रूम, यहाँ पर सारी क्विज है जो बच्चों की एग्जाम्स है, ये यहाँ पर मैनेज होती है। ये लॉकर्स है जहाँ पर वो अपना बैगेज है वो सारा रख सकते हैं। फिल्टर है पानी पीने के लिए।
Clinical skill learning.
सारी क्लिनिकल स्किल्स लर्निंग पूरा सेंटर्स यहाँ पर है। सर वो हमारे साथ है। और सर आप एक छोटा स्मॉल इंटरव्यू, जस्ट ब्रीफ लिटिल इन योर वर्ड फॉर DTMU.
First of all, it's difficult to say a few words about DTMU. DTMU syllabus is most intensive syllabus, which finally gives the students opportunity to continue and practice medicine in any country internationally. After DTMU, every graduate is ready to pass every international exam. And we know that international exams are not becoming easier, they become much more difficult. So it's pleasure, sir, that your students, I know them personally, and it was privilege to mentor them through years. They successfully passed all those international exams, and we are in touch with all of them. And DTMU gives skills and knowledge to continue successfully their international career, because we have graduates who continue in UK, in India, in Gulf countries, in Australia, in US. So DTMU gives them all that what they need for future. But your role is very important, because all those students who were selected by you and introduced to DTMU, they successfully manage the syllabus. Syllabus is not easy, but this is due to our vision of
that is good. And sir, I heard from many students that you are personally take care of them. If they are doing good, then you can inform their parents, appreciate them, and parents also contact you when they want to know about their children progress. So that only happen in DTMU. I'm not seeing a single universities like DTMU where the professors and the dean are very polite with and very supportive with their children.
First of all, it is respect.
Yes.
Because children were grown till certain age, and we are privileged to take responsibility of their education, and this is our first of all duty, and this is respect, because parents are responsible. Parents brought them to our institution and our responsibility to teach and update parents. Parents are updated through years, through 6 years they are updated, and we are in touch, and we are glad to be in communication with them.
That is why DTMU is the #1 university in Georgia.
Yeah, so we try our best, and number of our alumni is growing with your help, with Irina ma'am and Nikhil sir's help. All those students made us proud. This is pride of DTMU, and your students whom you selected, and you explained value of DTMU. Hopefully, we are glad that it paid back, and the students are successful internationally.
So ये this और our auditoriums. Okay, यहाँ पे बच्चे लाइब्रेरी जैसा है जो स्टडी करते हैं. Yeah. Yeah, this is the library. यहाँ पे सारी books, there are many books here.
5,000 books.
5,000 books
all
here.
up to date to 2026.
Yeah.
Some of them is already published and we bought it. And also we are always up to date for whatever is coming, what is in our syllabus.
Okay.
It's wonderful. We have wonderful collection.
Okay.
30 years old university, so we have very everything for lecturers, for students, all the books what they need,
So-
auxiliary and
Yeah. So is there necessary if they are not taking the books from their country? So here they get
no, they
every
don't
book.
have to.
Yeah. So only they have to come in
it
library.
depends on the student.
Yeah.
As for me, when I was a student, I like physical books.
Okay.
It was not e-books when I was a student. I'm 63, but and even here now, not all the students want to use e-books.
Yeah.
Physical
books. So yeah, they get the books from
they
here.
get from here.
Yeah.
Sure, they get from here, and they can use those books, but don't paint anything.
Yeah.
and play with it.
Thank you.
For that, they can bring their own.
Understand.
And we have this printer and all the computers they can use for
Okay.
their needs.
Yeah, definitely.
Printing, and this is sitting room
Okay. Here they are sitting and
studying.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
they can download ebooks here.
Okay.
We have only 3. We have more, but most of them they are coming in with their laptops.
Okay.
And they can sit
So,
here. We have
the
Library Friends Club card too. I'm teaching Georgia
Okay.
too. And
How they utilize this card? The library. Friends Club?
it's DTMU Library Friends Club Kartoli is the
Okay.
name of the club. And we established that. It was my idea, but international students helped me. Not helped me, but they wanted it. And this is their work.
Okay.
It's Georgian alphabet, and we established that club 3 years ago, and we are very active. I mean, they are very active. I'm just giving ideas.
Yeah, you are
and
just
then they
guiding.
will, no, they are arranging
Yeah,
everything,
okay.
and we are very popular.
Definitely.
None of the other universities have that.
Okay, no, that is nice. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, okay, you are welcome.
Yeah. तो ये सेकंड फ्लोर है, टोटल क्लासेस है, लाइब्रेरी है, एंड फर्स्ट फ्लोर में पूरे क्लासेस चल रहे हैं बच्चों के। तो अभी ये DTMU 2 फ्लोर में टोटल डिवाइडेड है, और उसका हॉस्पिटल्स जो है मैं आपको बाहर दिखाता हूँ। तो अब ये कैंपस की टूर कंप्लीट करते हैं और हम जाते हैं नीचे। सो ये पास में ही जो हॉस्पिटल है, तो DTMU इज कनेक्टेड विद द हॉस्पिटल, तो बच्चे यहाँ पर ट्रेनिंग के लिए भी जाते हैं। आई होप कि आपको DTMU यूनिवर्सिटी पसंद आई होगी, और आप एडमिशन के लिए अब्रॉड एजुकेशन कंसल्टेंसी को कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। आप हमारी लिंक पे जाके आप हमारा कांटेक्ट नंबर लेके आप एडमिशन के लिए हमें प्रोसेस कर सकते हैं, और हमारे वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब और आप शेयर करें, ताकि आपके फ्रेंड को भी DTMU में आना हो तो वो AEC से अपना एडमिशन कंटिन्यू कर सके।